Just 1/4 teaspoon of this spice will help you beat insomnia and sleep all night long. Today, many people have difficulties to fall asleep or stay asleep. People suffering from insomnia have severe problems with sleeping. This can affect your entire life and have a negative effect on your wellness and health. What causes insomnia? There are many medical and psychiatric conditions that can lead to insomnia. The most common ones include unhealthy sleep habits, biological factors, and different medicines or substances. According to studies, insomnia occurs when your brain can't stop being awake due to problematic wake, sleep, or cycles. It is very important to find out the root cause. Medical causes of insomnia. Insomnia can occur as a result of some mild or serious medical conditions. In some cases, it can be caused even by the symptoms of a condition. Medical conditions which cause insomnia: arthritis, asthma, nasal/sinus allergies, low back pain, chronic pain, endocrine problems like hyperthyroidism, neurological conditions like Parkinson's disease, gastrointestinal problems like reflux. Insomnia can be caused by medications for birth control, common cold, nasal allergies, heart disease, depression, high blood pressure, thyroid disease, and asthma. Also, insomnia can occur as a result of other underlying sleep disorders, such as restless legs syndrome. During this condition, the individual feels an uncomfortable sensation and needs to move the legs. During the day, the symptoms worsen, especially when the body is not active. This problem affects 10% of the population. Sleep apnea is another sleep disorder related to insomnia. The person's airway is totally or partially obstructed while he/she sleeps. Also, the person experiences pauses during breathing and their oxygen levels decline. Another sleep disorder connected to insomnia is sleep apnea. The person's airway is completely or partially obstructed while he/she sleeps. He/she has pauses during breathing and their oxygen levels decline. The person can wake up for a short time, but this happens constantly during the entire night. If you are having sleep problems, make sure to check up on your health to find out if you have some sleep disorders or medical conditions that are leading to insomnia. Also, you should limit the use of possible distractions, TV, computer, phone, pets, and avoid bright light. Chronic insomnia can lead to an increase in the blood pressure and result in depression. This will disturb the quality of your entire life. Common symptoms of insomnia: anxiety, poor memory, mood swings, increased accidents, low motivation or energy, inability to concentrate or focus, fatigue, increased fatigue during daylight, insomnia and sleeping pills, irritability. In the case of insomnia, doctors usually prescribe sleeping pills. Known as sedative hypnotics, they include barbiturates, benzodiazepines, and other hypnotic drugs. Ativan, Xanax, Librium, and Valium are the most commonly used ones. People hope that using these pills will help them treat anxiety or improve their sleep, without knowing that they increase drowsiness. Barbiturates cause sedation and depress the central nervous system. Ambien, Lunsta, and Sonata are sleep-inducing drugs that promote sleep and increase drowsiness. The worst part is that they are full of chemicals and can lead to various side effects. People who suffer from insomnia know how terrible this condition may be. It affects not only you, but all the people around you. Nutmeg is one of the most effective natural remedies that can help you beat insomnia. This spice offers various health benefits. Relieve pain. Detoxify your body. Improve your skin health. Soothe your digestion. Strengthen your immune system. Improve your blood circulation. It provides mild sedative properties as well. Make sure not to use dried nutmeg because you will not obtain the same results. You can grind it at home. Into a glass of warm water, dissolve 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg. Take it 4 to 5 hours before going to sleep. Also, you can add this to a cup of tea. Note, you should consume nutmeg in moderation. The excessive consumption of nutmeg can be toxic. If you experience hallucinations, contact poison control right away.